Hello, we've still got some heavy rainfall across those eastern parts of the North Island and more showers and thunderstorms to come as we go through the rest of today and also through in towards Friday. And it's all thanks to this area of low pressure moving slowly out towards the east of the country and wrapping around that heavy rainfall feeding towards the Wairarapa, up in towards Hawke's Bay, and as we head through in towards Friday, feeding up in towards those northern parts of Hawke's Bay and up in towards Gisborne as well. So definitely a situation to keep a close eye on out on that eastern side of the country. Now if we take a look at the accumulation charts, you can see those heavier rainfall areas picked out in the pinks and purples, but there will be some fairly intense bursts, some thunderstorms and some localised downpours to keep a close eye on as well. So something to watch out for as we go through in towards Friday. That rain wraps around and starts to push up in towards, I like to say, the Mahia district and up in towards those southern parts of Gisborne as well. So we've extended that watch out to cover that as well. So the warning now covers for the likes of, say, the Wairarapa, and up in towards the Taurua district. Also towards those southern parts of Hawke's Bay, south of about Hastings, through until the early part of Friday morning. There's also the watch out that extends for Friday from 3 AM to 3 PM for those southern parts of Gisborne, south of the city, and the rest of Hawke's Bay. So there is plenty of wet weather in force as we go through the next few days, particularly on that eastern side of the country. And it's worth saying, as we head through the weekend, although things are becoming a little bit more settled for a time, there could be some windier and wetter weather returning towards those northern and eastern parts of the North Island. So please stay up to date with all the latest forecasts, watches and warnings at MetService.com.